Yo, what's going on, fellas? I wanted to make a video today. I know it's Easter and people are probably doing stuff and things like that, but I wanted to make a video today looking at the Bitcoin monthly closes and why this monthly close is very, very significant based off Bitcoin's price action in previous cycles. Okay, so if you're new, make sure you press the subscribe button. If you haven't already, smack that like button. We're going to talk about Bitcoin's monthly candle today and also what that means for altcoins. Are they going to start moving? What the heck, man? They haven't been doing anything. So we're going to talk about that today. So make sure you get
Strap
on
up.
here
We're going to the moon.
and smack those likes, man. All right, so let's talk about it. So Bitcoin, 70,530. Man, what a move up in 2023. I think we played this very, very good on this channel for this cycle, but we are about to post a very, very important milestone. And what is that, right? So that is a all-time high monthly close, okay? Not a wick. We don't care about wicks. XRP holders might care about wicks, but we don't care about wicks here. Bitcoin is about to post a monthly close all-time high. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go back and look at the previous cycles. And if we do confirm this close today, which the monthly close is about 7 p.m. tonight, so we still got approximately about 10 hours. We could dump before then, and you can throw this in the trash and not recycle and just throw it in the trash. But if we do close above 69,000, we will get a new monthly high all-time close, right? So let's go back in the previous cycles and see what that has meant, okay? So let's go back to 2020, and what you guys will notice is we had this right here from December 2017. You can see that Bitcoin on that first monthly close above the previous all-time high, we did not see below that price again. Okay, basically we closed and then we saw 1, 2, 3, really 4, because we continued up here, of candles where we continued to the upside. Okay, and ultimately that marked the top. Right, so we got that monthly close and we kind of continued up from there. Happy days, right? And obviously we're going to talk about what that means for altcoins afterwards, right? If we go down to cycle number 2, what you'll notice here is Bitcoin came up to this point in December 2013, about $1,250. We came up and we struggle with this. We struggle with this level for about 2 months, right? 1, 2, we got a wick above, but we know on this channel we don't care about wicks. And then on that third month, we got that monthly close above. And you can see from that point of the monthly close above, we didn't see those price levels again. Bitcoin went on to post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green monthly candles before we got a first red one, okay? So we saw 4 in this one, 5 monthly green candles in this one. Let's go back down to cycle number 3. Okay, well, technically cycle number 1, but for the sake of this channel, we're gonna call it cycle number 3. I can't do math, guys. I didn't pass second grade. But what you notice here is June 2011, we came up to about $32. We got that first monthly close above the previous all-time high. And you can see from that point, once again, Bitcoin did not see those prices again. 1, 2, big green candles before having a slight little pullback there. But ultimately, we did see about 2 further months of continued upside. Okay, so what you can see in each cycle is when we get that monthly close above, monthly close, not a wick, we do tend to see Bitcoin continue up from there. Now, what does that mean for altcoins? Okay, and what does that mean if we do see that Bitcoin monthly close above 69,000? Okay, I prefer to see like kind of a nice strong monthly close, like us pumping into the close. That would show some strength going into next week. But nonetheless, any type of monthly close is good here. Now, what does that mean for altcoins? So let's go look at this chart. So up top, you guys are going to see that total 3 chart, right? This is all altcoins minus Ethereum. Okay, so basically all the altcoins minus ETH gives you a little bit better picture of the altcoin market. And over here, we're going to see the Bitcoin chart. So let's just compare previous cycles and see what happened before. So you can see Bitcoin is right here. We're at that previous all-time high. We're trying to break through. We're trying to close above it. And we have total 3 that is right at this little basically dead cat bounce in the bear market high, right? A big monthly resistance sitting right there. Now, what you'll notice is we've already seen a massive run for total 3. But on this channel, we've talked about that. Most of the altcoin gains don't even come until Bitcoin breaks its all-time highs. If we actually go back and we look at 2020, which is, I feel like that's not that long ago, fellas. I feel like it was yesterday. I was walking down the street with gloves on. But anyways, we come back over here. What you'll notice is Bitcoin right here in the month of November 2020, we were testing the previous all-time high right here, right? And then you can see that what were altcoins doing during that time? You can see altcoins were also right at that monthly resistance right here from that little dead cat bounce back in April 2018. This little resistance, you can see that altcoins are also at that level again. So we have altcoins at dead cat bounce bear market resistance, altcoins at dead cat bounce bear market resistance, while Bitcoin is on that candle of trying to break through all-time highs, right? On that candle of Bitcoin trying to break through all-time highs, right? So the same thing's happening this cycle as last cycle, but what you'll notice is, okay, from that point of Bitcoin breaking through all-time highs, that's when the real fun for altcoins start. That's when we get the move from here to new all-time highs in very, very quick fashion, okay? So this is the significance of Bitcoin's monthly all-time high break and what it means for the broader market, right? For all the altcoins, even the altcoins that have been lagging, right? So maybe in the next video, we'll talk about why, like we'll look at previous altcoins like Cardano and Ethereum and Doge. And I'm gonna show you guys why Bitcoin's all-time high break is just so significant for those altcoins, okay? Actually, you know what, let's look at it here today. So let me just bring up, the Doge chart. The Doge chart is one that we've been talking about and why this is so significant for this, right? So this is Doge. Let me get a better Doge chart. I think we can find a slightly better Doge chart here. Let me bring up Doge, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean on this chart as well. So what you'll notice is, okay, last cycle, Doge was still at its bear market lows. So if you notice, we have Bitcoin testing all-time highs right here back in 2020. Doge sitting right here at about 0.003 cents. I wish I could go back to that time and just buy a shitload of Doge. But we were sitting right here at about 0.003 cents. Bitcoin was at all-time highs. You could notice that when Bitcoin broke all-time highs, that's when Doge started to go parabolic on the monthly, right? Doge was basically on this candle at the bear market lows right here, this candle, while Bitcoin was at all-time highs. And this is what I try to explain to you guys is we haven't really seen much from the altcoin market yet. It might seem like we've seen altcoins go nuts, and a lot of them have. We've made some great calls on this channel, right? Fed, PAL, a lot of the AI coins, Pepe's gone up a lot. Basically a bunch of altcoins, right? But the real party and the real hoopla where you get Joe and Jimmy down the street looking to buy your altcoins doesn't happen until Bitcoin breaks all-time highs historically, okay? So make sure you guys strap up. We're going to watch the monthly close. I'll be live tonight at 7 p.m. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and come watch the live stream at 7 p.m. because we'll be live for it on this Easter. But happy Easter if I don't see you guys. Enjoy your holiday. Enjoy time with friends, family, all that stuff. And I'll catch you guys, everyone else, at 7 p.m. tonight or in the next video. All right? Peace out, guys.